Number 4. Baratza Encore ESP Grinder. For those serious about coffee, the Baratza Encore ESP grinder stands out. Tackling the fine art of espresso grinding, this model goes beyond the standard Encore's offerings. With 40 grind settings, including 20 micro for espresso and 20 macro for coarser grounds, you gain precision. Fresh coffee becomes a breeze with a single-handed hopper twist for grind adjustment, a push of the front-mounted pulse button, or a turn of the on-off switch gets you going. Changing the grind size is straightforward, enhancing your brewing process. A crucial highlight is the redesigned quick-release burr. You can remove it without disassembling the entire grinder. Cleaning and maintenance are so much easier, with no tools needed. This feature alone saves time and effort, making the Encore ESP feel user-friendly and smartly designed. Hopper and outer ring removal add to that ease. No tools required here either, simplifying anyone's routine. You'll find maintaining your grinder less of a chore. However, the higher cost might deter budget-conscious buyers, yet the price matches the value you get. Granular adjustments and user-friendly maintenance are worth every extra penny. What stands out most is the machine's ability to fine-tune espresso grind. If you love crafting the perfect espresso shot, you'll value this feature. More granular adjustments mean more control over your coffee's taste. For those keen to elevate their coffee game, the Baratza Encore ESP grinder promises to deliver. Explore its features and see how it can transform your coffee ritual. Still searching for the perfect coffee grinder? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.